up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. Today, you guys, I am going to be unboxing the 32-ounce jar from BlendJet. If you do not know what that is, I am about to show you. I'm about to open the box. I haven't looked at it yet. I haven't even opened the box. It's right here. Just came in the mail, and I'm going to open it with you guys so we can see how big it is. It is 32 ounce, but I just want to see how wide it is and how it looks on my base. This is the base to my BlendJet 2. I just took the top off. So when you order it, it's just the jar, the 32 ounce jar. It does not come with your base, okay? So you have to order the BlendJet 2, of course, and the jar is separate. It does not come together. But yeah, without further ado, let's get this box open so we can try out this 32 ounce jar. All right, you guys, let me get this thing cut open. Got it good and packaged. All right. I mean, really? Can I get in here? Okay. All right. Okay, so this is how it looks when you take it out of the package. As you see, they have a picture on the front and they have an extra large on top. Now let's open this. Okay. All right, tear it open right here. Okay, got it fancy. And it opens out like this. Okay. Oh, wow. This is the top for it. This is how it looks. Okay, so this is the jar, and I'm going to put the 16 ounce next to it so that you can see the difference. And this is the 16 ounce. So 16 ounce, 32 ounce. You see a big difference. Of course, this is just two of them in one. So this is the original jar and the 32 ounce jar. So it's a whole lot more capacity. Okay, so now let me see how it looks with the base on. Just gonna put it on there. And line the arrows up. There's the line, the arrows. And bam, there you go. Alright. Let's put the top on and see how it looks with the top. There's the top. With the top on there. That's how it's looking with the top. Alright. Looking good, looking good. Oh my goodness. I could put a lot in here. Alright, so now that we know how it looks with the top on and the base, I'm going to make something in it. you guys, I really like this. I really like the 32 ounce one. I just feel like it has more room, and as far as the 16 ounce, a lot of times if you see my videos, I am shaking it, trying to, you know, get everything down so that it can blend well. But with this 32 ounce, I just kind of lean it to the side a little, and it is blended very well. So love the 32 ounce. All right, now that it's blended, let's pour it into my handy dandy cup. Thick and creamy, just like I like it. All right, you guys, you've seen it here firsthand from me, how the 32 ounce looks, how it goes on the base of the BlendJet 2, and I love it. I'm a winner. I love this. So I do recommend, if you want to make you know, or a more capacity of your smoothie or your sauce, I recommend to get the 32 ounce. So yeah, I would be using that a lot. Smoothie turned out good, smooth, and delicious as always. But yeah, you guys, I do recommend to get the 32 ounce because, like I said, you got plenty more room. Well, that's going to be it for this video, you guys. I hope that it was very informative to you. I hope that it helps you on your decision if you should get the 32 ounce or not. I think it's a good investment and to add to your collection. But you guys, that's going to be it for this video. Be sure to give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.